What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video we're gonna working on this car for a little bit. We're gonna do a short video to install these babies, install it on it. What we're trying to get is the sounds of it, flutter or something like that. I don't know what it's called. And I just bought this car a few days ago, and I started working on it because it runs in drive, so it doesn't need too much. On my channel I have the video when we get this car. I'm gonna start it so that way you guys can hear it. It's not that loud because it's got the factory ones, the blow off valve from factory, so that's why it doesn't make any noise. It doesn't sound how we want it to sound, right? That's why we're gonna put those two boys in here, and after that we're gonna see how it sounds. Okay, in order to put those two little guys, we gotta take the old ones out. As you can see, it's got two bolts in here. There is one bolt and the other bolt is on the other side, and we gotta untie this clamp in here. We got untied it, and the other one is right there. That's the other one. We gotta untie those two, and on this side that's the blow off valve from factory. We gotta take those two bolts out, this clamp in here. We gotta take this clamp down and take that pipe right there and plug it. And I think that one we have to close it. All right, and pretty much that will be it. This is the factory ones. Come on. There we go. As you can see, we already got one out, one down, and now there it is where the new one's gonna be connected. I mean, that one's gotta be closed. You gotta close that hole from that pipe, and the one you gotta connect, the one's gotta be connected is that one right here, down there, that one, and the other one's gotta close. You gotta close it, and then the hose, the vacuum hose that you can see down there, this little vacuum hose is gonna go connected to that part right there. It's gonna go connected to that part, that little pipe right there, and pretty much that's it. Tied everything back, and that's it. And then the other side is gonna be the same. We gotta remove some stuff, but it's not that bad. Okay, you guys probably gonna need something like this, as you can see, to cover those the upper pipe, to cover it, and that's it. All right, those are the old ones, and then you're gonna need some adapters for the hoses, because the original ones, it has like big pipe in here, and the custom ones, they have big pipe in here, And the other one that we installed is it has a very tiny pipe on top of the blow-off valve. So that means you guys are gonna need some adapters from big one to smaller to reduce the hose. And then there we go. They are a little red because on the car where we put it on last time, they paint the car and they also sprayed it red on it. We got everything. It doesn't take it doesn't take too long to install them, but you gotta have those hose reducer. After we get the hoses connected, now we can start the car.